Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I would like to share latest job openings in Raipur location. It is from Chhattisgarh. Let's discuss one by one. There are so many job openings available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for Service Officer Branch Banking position. It is from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So it is for Raipur location. And coming to job role, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits and general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities censored, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth, and they are looking for MBA or graduates to this job vacancy. So and should have handled SO profile. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for relationship officer for branch banking, and it is for Raipur location. And coming to job requirement, equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew. Thorough understanding of banking and customer retention. So these are the job requirements. And coming to job role, handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, check book insurance, speed and efficiency of service given, sales targets for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross sale of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, and also at last customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, the third one for operations manager position. It comes under support services operations. So coming to job requirements, pre-disbursement KYC checking, agreement book and RTO set and verifications, verification of documents, asset details and loading the documents in system, handling the operations team, checking and releasing the payouts after checking the post disbursement documents, checking the NACH documents and checks, handling the high volume in month end, and 2 years of experience is required in retail asset operations and also disbursement related activities. So these are the job requirements. So please go through it once, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in the website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for branch operations manager. For this position, job summary will be: you should be responsible for management of day-to-day operations of the branch, ensuring strict adherence to prescribed process and audit and regulatory requirements, timely authorization and checking SO or SDO or RO system input for customer transaction or service request, branch lobby and customer queue management, and be responsible for the AML and KYC compliance of the various account opening forms submitted to CBC or RPC. So rest of the responsibilities, you please go through it once. Coming to job requirement, you should be done MBA or graduation to apply for this job position, and you should be having minimum 3 years of experience to apply for this position, and thorough overall understanding of the banking, customer service orientation, and also ability to manage and motivate front office staff. So these are the job requirements, and for more detailed information about the job opening provided here, you can visit in the official website link provided here. there is a job opening for credit manager position. So job responsibilities will be credit monitoring for customer assets, working capital, HF, LAP, BL, publishing delinquency and various other reports to senior management and PAN India teams, driving closure and resolution. So let's discuss about job requirements for this job opening. Understanding of assets business, and you should be having knowledge of Finacle and core systems, and also knowledge of MS Excel worksheets. So you please check with the detailed information provided here, and for other details about the job notification you can check in the official website link provided here. So there is a job opening for assistant acquisition manager position or a rural branches sales. So qualification will be graduate or postgraduate in any field. So next skills required. Selling skills with a clear focus on acquiring new CA or ASA and presentable and also demonstrating basic etiquettes, pursuing skills and fluent communication and basic understanding of English. So these are the skills required for this position, and you can also check with the trades required mentioned here. So for more detailed information about the job vacancy you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for assistant acquisition manager position, CASA oral sales. So you please check with the job description provided here, and coming to job requirements, you should be a graduate with appropriate experience, and also fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. For experienced candidates, at least 1 year of experience is required in liability sales is preferring, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and you should be a well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information provided here, and for further details about the job opening you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for relationship manager position for branch banking. So you please check with the job summary provided here, and also with the job requirements like ability to source high value business banking accounts, thorough knowledge of current account or trade account opening or transaction processes, and you should be having strong communication skills with the assertive attitude, and also you should be having knowledge of trade, forex and business assets, strong follow up ability and keenness, ability to spot opportunities in the portfolio for upselling or excelling bank products. So these are the job requirements, and you please go through with the information provided here, and for further details about the job notification you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for relationship manager commercial vehicle marketing branches operations position, and they need graduates with total 3 years 1 to 3 years of relevant experience is required. At least they are asking for 1 year of experience in financial services or banks. So rest of the responsibilities you please go through it once, and for more detailed information about the job notification you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for relationship manager HF loan against property lab sales. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for this position they are looking for graduates or MBA candidates. So for more detailed information you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for sales manager position customer durables sales. So they are looking for MBA or a professional degree candidates, and coming to experience details, the candidate should be having at least 2 to 3 years of experience in sales management, and excellent written and oral communication skills are required, passion to achieve and grow with the organization, relationship management skills are required, and strong on integrity and open to new roles and responsibilities. So these are the experience and qualification details. So you please go through with the job role provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. So that's it in this video guys. If you have any queries please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.